What are exemptions in Arizona?
Okay, so exemptions are very, very important. So every state in the country has a list of things that they've decided that you can keep when you file for bankruptcy or when creditors are trying to come after you. Some states are very specific about what these things are. It's typically like how much you can protect in the value of your house, how much you can protect in the value of your car, how much personal belongings you can have, and how much your gun could be worth or how much your wedding ring could be worth. So these are numbers that are specific from state to state. Some states protect houses, used to be up to $1 million, but that's kind of no longer the case mostly. But in Arizona, the homestead exemption has been changed recently. There was a proposition, I think it was Prop 209, and a few years ago. And basically, it's now pegged to a number and to inflation as well. So it's going to keep changing. But right now, it's $416,000 worth of equity in your home if you've been in your home for at least 3.3 years. If you've been in your home for less than 3.3 years, I believe the homestead exemption is maybe like $189,500, but those may be stacked per person. It's up to 2 people, but that's questionable. Arizona now also protects household items up to, I believe, $15,600, and it also protects your car up to $15,600. Now, these are equity values. That's how much more the item is worth than the loan. So if the car's paid off, then it needs to be $15,600 or less. Those are the basic exemptions in Arizona. There's an exhaustive list. Talk to your attorney, or you can look them up online. But do remember, if you're just relying on the internet, these things keep changing. And so the internet never scrubs anything. So you will be, if you just do a Google search, you may pull up stuff from 5, 7, or 10 years ago, and it's out of date and inaccurate. So particularly in Arizona, the exemptions have been increased recently, and you want the freshest information. Otherwise, check with your attorney.